everywhere I go. Tell them, world, tell them. Yeah, I'm a billboard.
Hi guys, all gone. I don't know, it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in a building out of them. It's kind of dark now. What's your road? I am coming from Payless. I just bought a shoes. I really wanted these shoes from all along now. Every minute I come out here and they never have it. I was so happy to come and see them with it today. So I had to get it. Like, yeah. So I get the shoes. I'm so excited to get the shoes. Because the shoes I wear go work now. I don't love it like I love that one here. It's like a point, I like pointed mouth shoes. So any brands sending me shoes, I like pointed mouth fashionable shoes. So I'm gonna step out of work and say, yeah, Melica is here. But now I'm heading over to Body Studio Skincare. I'm gonna check on something for my face because I'm having some issues with my chinny chin chin. So I'll check on something for that. And then I'll be heading over to JPS. Me and some of my friends are going to JPS. We're going to study a bit. And then I'll be heading home. Maybe we might be at JPS. I will do a short little snippet of them. Then I really like camera like that. And we will see how that goes. So big up on yourself. Please remember to subscribe and show the love. I'm not uploading now when I'm vlogging. But as soon as I start uploading, you guys will see these clippings that I've been doing. So yeah, it's tears I got that now. So yeah, approaching Body Studio right now. At the door. I always come to Body Studio Skincare to do my facials, microdermabrasion, chemical peels. They do belly fat removal and stuff like that too. Acne, tattoo removal, laser hair removal, butt enhancement, and they also do and do quite a bit of stuff. So I'll go inside and check. Hello, good day. I'm checking to see. I'm having some problems with it. So guys, I'm finished with Body Studio Skincare. They gave me some recommendations for the problems that I'm having. They can't do nothing now because I washed my chin today, so can't do nothing to it right now. But now I'm at Sakura. I'll get something to me at Ocean. Ocean I go pick me up. So I'll get something here. So I'm not too sure what I get because I kind of stop eat Sakura. If I watch the vlogs, I'm often nothing to come here like every day. Like I can't tell the last time I ate here. So yeah, that me I don't know. So guys, we're here in a serious meeting. And the peoples are here. It's around 9 o'clock now.
The 20,000. Is it 20,000 for minus?
For minus.
Oh yeah.
So we're currently in a meeting now. We have Ocean here. We have Chris here. And we have Daniel here. You don't know you have MELICASKYLIFE here. So why me I laugh? Murder will go, I'm tired. So we're doing some stuff now. We are preparing for an event tomorrow. Yes, a very big one too. So I don't have a lot of time with you. I don't think I'll be coming back to this clip after. I don't think I'll be coming back after this clip. So please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with a friend. Remember, I'm not on Facebook and stuff like that, so share it on Facebook so we can grow the family. And we're doing very good. I'm so proud of you guys. I didn't vlog this, but the other day I went to school and I wore one of the Skylife shirts. I'm so excited about it. You know, soon drop them also. I did put up nothing. I don't think I put up anything, but I'm gonna show you guys the shirts maybe in the next clip or so. I'll show you what they look like and stuff. So yeah, that's basically my little rundown. I never get to show me food because I never remember me so hungry me eat it. So later.
And if you know me well, you know I don't kiss and tell, but I want you to myself, baby. In my life, yo, me never seen melanin so damn. You're the queen of the dance floor, night session life on the legacy, baby. Would you put me in your diary? In my she bend over back break, steaming out what I beg. I wanna date her. So tell me why you do me so. So tell me why you do me so. Baby, me never let you go. Yeah, me never let you go. So tell me why you do me so.
So when you walk past them, walk on this melanin. Show off your melanin. See how the queen and on a joke for that. See them a look as a melanin a pop. Walk on this melanin. Show off your melanin. See them a hate cause I know you think shot. You see your skin and I feel respect that.